Hi everybody, this is Chris here. I have created a guide for you to help you with this article using reference databases right here, using reference databases, which is from the book, The Handbook of Research Synthesis and Meta-Analysis. And you're taking a look at just section 5.3, pages 80 to 90. Right here, structuring and conducting the search. The purpose of taking a look at these 10 pages is to help you learn how to do scholarly searches, and in particular, how to do searches for your research topic, but also for other things for the rest of your academic career. So it's very, very important stuff, very practical stuff. This guide is very much a simplification of what and this video also, what's in this chapter between pages 80 and 90. It's not a substitute. The guide or this video is not a substitute. Please read the pages. There's an awful lot in here, but just to make it a little more manageable, I created a guide with some simple ideas, mostly from those 10 pages of using reference databases, but I threw in a few of my own things. So let's just get started here. So the first section in the using reference databases 5.3 is topic selection. So I picked a topic, and basically what I did is I just picked a topic. If you recall research projects, I wrote a bunch of topics that I gleaned from your research diaries, and I just picked one that none of you actually picked. Becoming more organized as an example. So you're going to do with your topic what I'm going to do with becoming more organized. And just to prepare you, you may find that the steps that I go over work like a charm, and they might not work like a charm. If not, that's okay. Searching is a very messy, complicated, chaotic process. It's unpredictable. That's okay. If you get stuck, don't worry. We're going to be learning about this over the next few weeks. So if you get stuck, other students are going to be offering help. I will offer help. And you can also get help from the Sophia Library. Okay, so like I said, the topic I'm using is becoming more organized. So I just structured this here. What is your topic? That's something that they talk about. And I'm going to pick becoming more organized. So it's helpful to write it as a question or as a sentence. That's not a full sentence. So so this helps to unpack it a bit. Of course, if this were my topic and I were in this class, I'd be interested in students becoming more organized, maybe tips or strategies. So I have a question here. What are some strategies for helping college students become more organized? That's certainly a theme that some of you focused on. Kind of relates to the work-life balance also. Now, what are different components of this topic? This is really important when you're doing searching, to be able to break down a search, what's called a query, a search query, a search that you're doing, into its components. And of course, if you think about it, the sentence has three: strategies, college students, becoming more organized. So I'm just going to put the topics are sort of, let's call it organization, and then college students and strategies. I put strategies last, even though it's first in that sentence, because I don't think it's the most essential. This is it's about organization. So now we're going to do other steps. The reason why we're going to be doing other steps is, if we just type in organization, college student strategies, we're not going to get anywhere. And I'll show you by going to the database that you all are going to use. So You're going to use ProQuest. I'm going to show you how to get to ProQuest. This is the Sophia University homepage. You're going to click on Resources, go to Library. And here's the library homepage. When you get here, click on Find in Databases. Now you can either drop down, oh, it's not dropping down, or you can just go down to here, Access Online Databases. That's what you want to do. And then it goes to the online database page. We're going to use ProQuest. Now when you click on ProQuest, it's going to prompt you for, let me write this down, it's going to prompt you for your username, and that is your first and then last name. And then it's going to ask for your password. That is your student's ID number. If you have trouble with this, I want you to call Sophia 650-493-4430. Ask for the library. They will help guide you towards accessing the database. Now, when I click on it, let's see if I go right through. I've already logged in, so I go right through. It doesn't ask for my password. Here we are, and I'm going to show you why this isn't going to work. Probably organized, college students, strategies, organization, college students, strategies. Let's see what happens when I hit the research results. Okay, so let's see if we have relevant results. Does higher education reduce poverty among youths in Nigeria? Interesting article. Doesn't relate, though, to our topic. The search for educational betterment in a foreign land. Again, not relevant. Certainly not the third one, midwives in Rhode Island. Also, we have way too many results. Over 500,000 results. One thing you can do, by the way, is click on relevant. Let's see if that, so it's gonna order it by relevance. And we're getting closer. Predicting college students' mathematics anxiety by motivational beliefs and self-regulated learning strategies. That's closer, but we're still not there, are we? Motivation, language learning strategies, course performance among English-speaking college students, learning a Romance language. So we're still not there. So we have to do a few more steps. Let me just go right here to see how long we've gone. Okay, we've gone pretty far here. We're at 8 minutes. Okay, so we've done the first section here, and in the next part of this video, we're going to go on to the second section.